Hi, welcome. This is Professor Shakira Hobbs. I am making this video to demonstrate how to collect water samples and how to use a method that we developed in our lab to stabilize mainly glyphosate in the water so that we can get a clear response if glyphosate is present, and we can also quantify if glyphosate is present using our LCMS, our triple quad that's over there in the corner. Okay, so first I'm just going to do a demonstration as if I was in the field on how to collect water samples. So everyone will be supplied with something that looks like this. So these are gloves, and inside the gloves is a falcon tube, and there are a total of 5 Centra tube bottles inside. So first what I want you to do is to open this bottle and take out all of the chemicals that are inside. Actually, before you take out the chemicals, make sure you put your gloves on like me. And when you're done with the chemicals, you want to wash your hands thoroughly. Okay, so I have my falcon tube here, and I have that open. In the red plastic container is our bore rate buffer. So it's our centrifuge container. In our pink plastic container is EDTA, so 1% of EDTA. And then you have 3 of these, a total of these. This is FMOC, right? I'm giving you the abbreviation for these. All right, so I have my tub of water over here. So let's just think that this is a river or a creek or open body of water that you're interested in testing to see for the presence of glyphosate. So you'll take your falcon tube, right? You'll take it and you'll put it into the open body of water. You'll fill it up to the rim, and then you'll pour it out. You'll do this 3 or 4 times. And what we're doing is we're basically conditioning the bottle to receive and make sure we get an accurate representation of the water sample. Okay? All right, so I would like for you to collect 30 milliliters of your sample, right? So I have a lot more than that, so I'm going to pour that out. Oh, poured way too much out. Okay, and add some more. All right. And we want the meniscus line to be, we're going to put it at eye level, and we want the meniscus line to be at 30. Right, so I'll bring it a little closer so you all can see what that looks like. So meniscus line is basically that line right here that touches my 30. Okay, so after I have it at 30 levels, at 30, I am going to shake this red container that has my bore rate. I'm going to shake it or invert it. Then I'm going to shake it for 30 seconds, right? After I shake it for 30 seconds, I'm going to open the top off of this, and I'm going to pour all of the contents into here, right? My red one. And then I'm going to take the pink valve, and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to shake it for 30 seconds, and then I'm going to put that inside. And then I'm going to shake my clear containers, all 3 of them, for 30 seconds. And I'm going to pour them one by one into my container. I am going to securely put this top on. Once I put this top on, I'm going to write down the date, the time, and the coordination along with the zip code so that we know exactly where the sample was collected. The more descriptors about the area, the more helpful to knowing where the sample was collected and to kind of understand and interpret the results once you're finished. Okay, and then once you're finished with your empty valves, these empty valves here, you can discard them by throwing them in the trash, take your gloves off, throw them in the trash as well, and wash your hands thoroughly. Okay, good luck.